Hey, Lori here with Jack Black. I wanted to tell you all this could be your most important Tuesday tip. I know you guys are on video calls a lot. Well, we want your ideas to shine, not your oily face. So let's start with these products every day. Your Glycolic Facial Cleanser, your greatest cleanser for normal to oily skin. That's going to control that oil and shine. So use your Deep Dive Glycolic Cleanser. And then a couple times a week, you've got your Face Buff, which is going to set you up for a non-irritated shave. It's going to lessen the ingrown hairs and the razor bumps and make your skin feel very cool. Now, on the other side of the fence, we have got these other two great products to finish up with. You're going to finish up with your Oil Control Toner. It's a perfect mattifier for your skin. And then your oil-free moisturizer. This is a perfect toner also, by the way, to keep on your desk if you need a quick cleanup, at 3 o'clock. So try these 4 products, and I think that you're going to have your ideas shiny, not your face.